Click on Get In button, choose Proceed with different number option. It will be prompting for your registered mobile number. After entering the number, click on Submit. If the number is correct, you will receive the OTP. Please enter the OTP and click on Submit button. It will take you inside. Here you need to choose Fees option. Here we can explore the fees summary of all children belongs to the respective parent. Choose Detail button and proceed. Check the student name and SNAP etc. Click on Proceed. Next screen will have all fees, based on type or installment wise etc. Paid fees will be in green and pending will be in red background. Choose Pay and Update button. It will open the next screen. Here if you want to edit the fees etc. is possible. Please choose the payment mode which you plan to do. And click on Submit button. Here you will be provided with bank details for NEFT etc. For UPI transaction, if equipped, UPI ID and QR code will be available. Use the available information and ensure you do the payment from net banking or app etc. Don't miss to quote the receipt number while payment transfer. After the successful transfer, please note and update the transaction reference number or UTR number etc. Also kindly update the transaction date as well if required. Please provide the maximum possible information for the accurate receipt confirmation. We are also equipped to auto-generate bank challan as per the described format. Also the payment update confirmation receipt. Institution will check your payment in their records and confirm the payment receipt over SMS. You may take the payment update receipt copy for your reference. Please be in touch with your institution for any assistance. Payment confirmation SMS may delay sometime due to the credit and verification delays. Kindly do the online transactions during office timings for better response.